Hello everyone, how are you today? I anticipate you and your beloved ones are as fit as a fiddle during this unprecedented period. My name is Sarfaraz Khan and I am a medical professional. Friends, you will tend to agree with me that the graph of COVID 19 patients are inclining exponentially day after day. In this perilous situation, we should be at our residence and use the natural substances which boost our immune system. In this video, I am gonna demonstrate the natural substance which is not only boost our immune system but also improves overall health. But for this, I would like to draw your attention for some time so that you can get to know about it precisely. Do you know which natural substance I am talking about? I am just talking about an organic substance named as turmeric. You will be astonished to know that it has abundance of health beneficial properties. So without any further procrastinate, let's get started. As far as turmeric is concerned, it has plethora of health beneficial properties. The most vital properties of turmeric are: it helps in wound healing, it helps to prevent arthritis, turmeric detoxifies the liver, it helps to prevent cancer. Moreover, it is stated that turmeric reduces high level of cholesterol, regulates blood pressure, regulates high glycemic levels. In addition to these properties, turmeric has antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and so many other properties as well. If you require some more properties of turmeric, you may go through Google and you will certainly get to know about it. On this note, I'll take your leave now. So till then, look after yourself, stay clear of negativity, and live the life to the fullest.